Welcome back to Driveway Que and Brews, everybody. It's Don, and tonight we're doing chicken sandwiches on the Kamado Joe. Super simple recipe, but man, what a great sandwich. The first step into building these sandwiches is to start with bacon. I've already got the grill hot, and I've got a Dutch oven in there, and that's where we're going to cook the bacon. Every time I open these knives, I always feel like Dexter, especially with the blue gloves that I've been sporting lately. But we're going to go ahead. I've got 4 strips of bacon here. We're going to cut them directly in half so that they fit nicely on those sandwiches. And then we're going to put them in there and start browning this bacon up. Listen to that bacon sizzle, y'all. Little baby chickens. All right, now that we've got the chicken squared away, my neighbor CJ was smelling it from across the street, so he came over to see what was going on, and I invited him to try this beer with me. So today we've got, so this is right up the road in Bryan, right?
Yes, sir, it sure is.
Blackwater Draw Brewing Company. This is called the Hazy Lady IPA, and for those of you that may not know, that stands for India Pale Ale. What makes it cloudy is all the proteins and everything that are kind of suspended in the beer. I'm anxious to kind of see what this looks like in the glass. Let's give it a pour.
Ooh.
It is very hazy.
So pretty.
Yeah, it's very, very frothy. And I'll tell you this, I was looking on the can. The ABV on this puppy is 8.5%.
Oh.
That's not for the faint of heart, brother.
Nap time.
Yeah. Wow. Look at the head on that.
It is pretty. I got to be honest with you.
It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I thought it would be like a darker amber color almost.
And I thought it was going to be more cloudy as well than what it is.
Pretty cloudy.
Well,
but yeah.
that's it.
Not like a Miller Lite.
I'm in my 40s. Now things aren't as clear as they used to be.
Yeah, that's why I got the glasses, brother. All right. Well, let's give it a taste and see what it tastes like.
Prost. Get after it, buddy. Go ahead.
I had to get past the froth. Okay, that's sharp. It is sharp. So for those of you that don't know, I'm not a huge fan of IPAs, but this one is, I'd say it's more easily drinkable than most that I've tried. So being the fact that it's a local brewery, I really wanted to try it out on the channel, and I'm glad I did. This is something I'll have again.
Yeah, this definitely, out of all the IPAs I've had, this one is one of the few that doesn't suck. I would definitely drink this again. Hazy Lady. Just like some of the girls I've dated. They're not as sweet as you think they might be, but it'll be all right.
All right, let's check and see how that chicken's doing. All right, we are almost ready for some cheese and bacon. All right, let's get some bacon on some of this chicken. Heather really likes a lot of bacon, so we're gonna put a lot on hers. She's getting the little 2 mini pieces together as one. All right, now then, that's my piece, and then Heather's piece, Michael's piece. All right, let's put the lid down and let that melt good. All right, now it's time to build the sandwich. So I've got the chicken, salt and pepper only. We've got bacon, and we've got some smoky, hot Colby Jack cheese on there. It's got little jalapeno peppers in there and a little smoke flavor. But the star of the show is going to be this guacamole that we're going to put on that sandwich. So I love to add a little guacamole to my chicken sandwiches. It just makes it taste so good. Let's put a little guacamole on there like that. Oh yeah. And a little honey mustard. Look at that sandwich. I cannot wait to bite into that. I can't wait to dig in. Let's cut into this bad boy. take a taste. Bacon, guacamole, cheese. That is so good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go in for another bite, but we gotta wrap this video up so I can eat. If you want something that's easy to do on a weeknight, you just want to throw something fast on the grill, do these chicken sandwiches. It doesn't take long at all. Add a little bacon on there, some guacamole, and the cheese that you prefer the best. It makes a great sandwich and an easy meal at night. It's even got a little kick to it with that guacamole. So please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and until next time, keep the smoke rolling and the brews flowing. Time to dig in some more.